Hello, Singapore. Thanks for inviting us today. We came all the way from Geneva in Switzerland, a country that has a reputation for financial stability. But you will see we can also be innovative in software and in financial inclusion. So I started this company a couple of years ago to fulfill a dream. And it's both a very simple dream and a very ambitious one. I would like to provide access to payment for everybody on the planet who has a mobile phone in their pocket. It's about 5 billion people. And we're not the only one with this dream, so we want to partner with people who have the same one. Now, when we think about money, the first thing actually I think about is the good old banknote. And if my colleague here, Sabrina, needs a taxi to go back home, I can just give her some money.
Thank you, Jeff.
How much did you get?
I got $10.
And how much did I spend? $10. So the transaction was free, it was frictionless, fast, instant, understandable. And this is the physical world. How is that? In the 20 years when we have had the World Wide Web, the internet has revolutionized a lot of industries, making things cheaper, faster, and simpler. But in money, in finance, in a simple thing like sending money to someone, this is not the case. It's complicated. E-banking, PayPal, whatever, credit cards, it's always too complicated and too expensive. We want to change this, make it just as smooth. So Sabrina, did you get back home safely?
Yeah, I got home okay, thank you.
Can you give me back my money, because I need it now?
Sure, I'll pay you back right now with Mobino.
Well, that's good.
Bye. So I will be using the Mobino app to pay back Jeff. So there we go. I can see my balance on it, $239. And I simply have to hit the send money button. So since Jeff lent me $10, I'm hitting 10. And then I simply have to go into my address book. And from there, I can just select his phone number. And there we go. I have all the information. And I can send him back his money. So then I get this confirmation screen on which I see his picture, his number, so I'm sure that I'm sending money to the right person. And more importantly, I have to put in a secret code. It's my secret code. I set it up when I set up my account. And it's extremely important because if someone steals my phone, they cannot steal my money. So then I will see my balance decrease and GF will receive it.
Yeah, that's right. I got the message. Money has arrived. Thank you very much, Sabrina.
You're welcome.
So as you see, we have a very simple way to transfer money peer-to-peer. It has become, it's available in proprietary networks, but we want to make it available across all banks. And that's how it's today operational in Europe. We'd like to do the same in Asia someday. Now let's see how we can pay in a shop situation. Sabrina runs a little noodle shop, and I like to buy the specials of the day.
Sure. You want the boogie special?
Yeah, the boogie special. Cool.
So here you go. It will be $5, please.
Okay. Can I pay with Mobino?
Sure.
How's that work?
So I'm using my cash register here, which integrates Mobino, the Mobino payment. So I request the payment simply, and the amount was $5. So I'm hitting $5, and from then Mobino is sending me a number, which is a token. It's valid. It's unique only for this transaction, and
on my side, all I have to do is from my Mobino app to hit Pay Merchant and type this token, 91051. See, it's much faster than scanning a QR code. It's just as fast as NFC, but we don't need any hardware. Why would we need hardware? I need a confirmation screen, as usual.
And I can see that the transaction is in progress. And as soon as my client types in his secret code, I will be receiving the money. Here I go.
Hey,
so
that's
I got
nice.
paid. Thank you, Jeff.
So that's how we cover payments in a shop situation. And it works exactly the same for e-commerce. Imagine you're on a web shop and at checkout you choose Mobino instead of credit card or PayPal. The token is displayed and you enter it on your phone. So there's no confidential information that is transferred over the network. There's no credit card numbers ready to be stolen in databases of thousands and thousands of merchants. All the data is, of course, encrypted end-to-end. So next, let's see how that works in mobile commerce. Sabrina.
So today I need some shoes, so I'm going to use my favorite store. They have an application for online payment to buy. So I want to pick my favorite pair of shoes. Here I go. So there are the shoes that I want. It directs me automatically to Mobino. And as I said, it's a US number. It's a US shop, so I get the amount $98 US dollar, but Mobino takes care of the exchange rate automatically. So I have 125 Singapore dollars to pay. So again, I have to enter my secret code, of course. And as soon as I hit next, the payment is done, and I'm back into the shop.
Wow, sexy
Very
new
fast,
shoes.
very easy.
Yeah, that's fast. All right, so that's available for all people who have a smartphone. You can actually download it on iPhone or Android. But I said the whole planet, and the whole planet doesn't have smartphones yet. Many people have still that kind of phone, which costs practically nothing. Well, Mobino is compatible with this too. The way it works is you call a toll-free number, and you type your token in order to pay. The transaction is confirmed by voice synthesis, and you can access it with or without a bank account all over the world. So we are today connected to the banking system in Europe. As we say, we are operating from Switzerland as a financial intermediary, and we came here to find distribution partners in Asia in order to provide the same service in the countries in the region. I have to add that the service is totally free for end users, and it costs only 1% for the shops and the merchants who want to take use of it. So I think it's a very competitive value proposition. Thank you for your attention.